Hi, I just wanted to take a minute of your life to thank you for believing in me. We've become 50,000 today. Actually, we've become more than that. It happened in the morning, and I just wanted to tell you how I felt and what was the thought process in my head all day. I have been smiling since the day, yeah, except for a few minutes in between, when in the afternoon I was so overwhelmed that I could not stop my tears. I remember saying this to somebody that the day I'm going to complete 50,000, I'm going to go to Italy. At that time, I had not known that, forget about Italy, I would not have been to a parlor in 3 months. I know you expect a certain content from me whenever you see a thumbnail from me, a new video from me, but I am sorry, there is nothing else on this video today. I just had to thank you. There are a few of you who always show up. No matter what happens, no matter what time I upload the video, because I really do not have a fixed time to upload a video, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to try, and I want to say this to you that thank you for believing in me. You believed in me when I did not believe in myself, and this is happening because of you. I cannot tell you how happy I am. It feels a lot more responsibility on my shoulders, and I just want to promise you that no matter what happens, I'm going to continue working. This is my promise to you. I'm going to keep adding value to your life, and I'm going to teach you everything that I know. Everything. I don't know much, but whatever little I know, I am promising you, I'm going to pass it on to you. I am going to share it with you. I'm going to give my best shot at making you know what I know, increasing your knowledge. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to do my research, and I'm going to come up with amazing videos in future. And that is all I just wanted to promise you. Apart from that, there are a few more things, and I'm only going to take 1 more minute of your life and going to say everything that I want to, because this moment, this day, I want to capture it. Because this day I've waited for it, I've worked for it, I've worked very hard for it. And I, as a person, as a human being, all of us have one such person whom we really like to see on YouTube or Instagram, somewhere, Facebook. And of course, I also have my favorites. And I know when they achieve something, when they achieve a feat, I feel happy for them. I am a part of their happiness. I'm a part of their win. Similarly, this is your win. This channel is yours. I'm going to create whatever you ask me to create. I'm going to receive the content from you. I'm going to give in my best into it. I'm going to do a lot of research about it, bring out the best product possible, and I'm going to present it to you in the best possible manner I can. This is what I promise you. Educating people, education, this has been the prime motive of my life. And this is something I believe in: practical education. I want to impart education practically, not just theoretically. I don't really believe in the bookish knowledge, and that is why I started this channel. I wanted to connect with souls. I wanted to connect with millions of people. That was the purpose behind starting this channel. But at the same time, I had not known that it would actually happen. So this is just my way of thanking you from the bottom of my heart. I really mean it. I am really touched. I'm very happy. You've believed in me when I did not believe in myself. You are a part of my life. You have become a very important, critical part of my life. Please do not go. Please do not leave me alone on this journey. I would request you to be here, to stick with me, to stay together, and together we are going to do something massive, something huge one day. I really want to do something for that Bharat that exists in India. There is this Bharat. There are people who really need our help and support. Together we are going to achieve that. We are going to work, we are going to do something together one day. That is a dream from far off. I know it's going to take time, but we'll do it. If we are together, we'll do it. इतना लंबा सोचा नहीं था जितना लंबा बोल गई, बट सच में बहुत खुश हूँ। और सच्चे दिल से चाहती हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ बने रहें, एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी देयर. आई एम नो वन विदाउट यू. दैट इज़ ऑल आई वॉन्टेड टू से टू यू. कल एक और बहुत बढ़िया सा वीडियो लेके आऊँगी. इधर जो बहुत स्पीड में कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हुई. I know a lot of you commented on my videos saying that, ma'am, your channel is growing fast. Honestly, I do not know the reason. It probably the only reason that I can guess is my consistency. I've been uploading videos from a very long time, for a very, very long while. And in the beginning, I really saw no results. So I would just say that if there is anything to learn from it, learn, grasp it, and use it in your life. Make yourself happy. Staying happy, as I always say, staying happy is the only thing that matters. There's nothing else that matters. Staying happy, adding value to somebody's life, and we are going to do that together for as long as possible. I love you, and thank you. Bye.